I haven't opened my email app in almost a week. And it's all thanks to one new feature built into Magai that you can access right now. If you hate email as much as I do, you're gonna love this. Now, email is great for communicating and getting things, but my inbox is always filled with mostly garbage. Very few emails I get from real people that require real action from me. And therefore, I end up spending a whole lot of time cleaning out my email and checking it several times a day. And so what I really wanted was an AI that could act as my email assistant for me. And so thanks to this one new feature inside of Magai, I have been able to build an AI email triage that happens every day, twice a day. It clears out my entire email for me, gets rid of all the spam, all the promotional stuff, all the newsletters that I never read, checks for emails from real people that require my attention, and it delivers a report for me via Slack. And then, if I want to, I can actually use Magai to write replies to all of the emails in my inbox at the same time. So let's get into it. So Magai just recently released this feature that allows you to schedule tasks. So if you look over in the left sidebar here, you'll see a new element here that says scheduled. And this will be a list of all the scheduled tasks that you run. If you haven't created any scheduled tasks, there won't be anything there, obviously, but once you do, they'll start showing up here on the left. Now, there are two ways you can create scheduled tasks inside of Magai. You can go to the Scheduled Tasks tab and create New Schedule. From this New Schedule tab, you can just type exactly the instructions you want the AI to follow, and it will follow them. So let's say I wanted the AI to send me a motivational quote tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. So all I would type in here is send me a motivational quote. I would select the date from the calendar here. So we'll say tomorrow's the 24th. And I would just type in the time. So I want it to be 8 o'clock and I want that to be in the AM. So I would click the AM button to make sure the AM is selected. And that's it. When I hit schedule tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., the AI will get this prompt processed and send me a motivational quote here in the chat. Now, if I wanted this to happen every single day, I would simply toggle the repeat option on, and then I can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly. So for this one, I'd want it daily. So every day now at 8 a.m., the AI is going to schedule a new chat, and it's going to have this same exact prompt ready, and it's going to process that prompt and send me a motivational quote, and I can come in here and I can look at it. Now, where the magic really happens is when you start to connect some of our integrations. So for example here, if I were to click the attach button and open up our integrations tab, any integration that I currently have selected will be automatically activated for this task. So in our example today, I'm going to be connecting my Gmail and my Slack because I want the AI to be able to check my email. So it has to have access to my Gmail. And then I want it to message me a summary inside of Slack. And so I'll need those two integrations active in this chat. And so I would go in here and I would go find Gmail. It's already turned on. And then I would find Slack, which is already turned on. Now, if I didn't want them, I could toggle them off, but we do want them on in this one. And then I would just type out my instructions. I would tell the AI exactly what I want it to do on a daily basis. Now, that's one way you could do this, but I'm going to show you how I actually built it and why this other way is actually a million times easier. So you can actually have the AI inside of Magai schedule tasks for you without having to go through the whole button clicking and selecting the time thing. And that's exactly what I did. So you can see here inside of Magai, what I did is I started a brand new conversation, just a regular chat conversation with the AI. And I went through and I made sure that my integrations were on, my Gmail and my Slack. And here's what I said to Claude inside of Magai. I want to set up a daily email triage process using the AI. Every day at 8:15 a.m., the AI should review my inbox, archive any newsletters, archive anything that looks promotional, identify important emails from real people, flag them, summarize each one briefly, and send a Slack message listing what's in my inbox for me to review. Send a message about this to the bot.com Slack channel we use. So as a precursor, what I did was I created a channel in Slack called bot.coms, specifically for my AI to communicate through. So here's what it did. You can see that it looked up the current time to make sure it knew exactly what day and time it was. And then it created a task here, daily email triage. And so you can see the little task element here inside of the output. And it says daily email triage, June 17th. That's when I first created it. And 8:15 a.m. daily. So I could click over and view that task if I wanted to. But let's read on to see what it says. It says, "You're all set, Dustin. The daily email triage automation is scheduled and will run every morning at 8:15 a.m. Here's a summary of what it'll do each day." And then it just kind of restates exactly what that is supposed to do. Now, one thing that I caught in here that I'm glad I did, and just as a side note, you should always be reviewing what your AI outputs for you. Don't just assume it's all correct. One thing I noticed is that it used some language around flagging, and I could clearly see that it thought I was talking about tagging things or maybe categorizing them. I did not actually mean that when I used that language. All I meant was I wanted it to surface that for me and bring it to my attention. So I just corrected it really quickly. I said, first of all, I didn't actually mean to flag the emails in any way apart from just writing a summary about them and sending them back, sending them in the Slack brief. The task shouldn't attempt to put any labels or anything, just leave them in the inbox. How else would you suggest we improve this daily email triage workflow? I want to spend as little time in my email inbox as possible, which I absolutely do. So the AI replied with, "Great catch, let me update this task," and which is a great thing to note, that you can actually have it update the tasks that it creates. So first, let me get the current time. So check the time again, just to make sure. And then it scheduled, made edits to that daily task and rescheduled it. And then it recounted everything that it did. Now, here's the other thing that really surprised me about this. It made suggestions for improvement. So the AI suggested to add an end of day sweep. I thought that was a really good idea. It also suggested include a needs reply indicator on its summaries, which I thought was a good idea as well. It did suggest that it should auto unsubscribe from newsletters, which is not actually a capability it has. This is a total hallucination. It can't actually go in there and follow unsubscribe links. I knew this to be true. So we can ignore that one. It also suggested an add a waiting on tracker for emails that I sent. I didn't really need that. Priority scoring was another suggestion. I thought that was a good one. And a weekly inbox zero report. Again, I didn't really need this one. So I replied to it. I said, I like the end of day sweep. So let's go ahead and create a second daily task for this, but make it 3:15 p.m. I also like the needs a reply indicator and priority scoring. So add those as well. I don't need the other suggestions. Be sure to bake all of those into both triage tasks. And so here we go. 2 tasks now, 2 daily tasks, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and it added all those edits to it. And this is exactly how it works. Now, after having it run a few times, there were some things that I noted about it that maybe I wanted to change, or some formatting differences that I wanted to apply. But thus far, I haven't had to check my email at all. I could keep my email app completely closed, and I could just work from my Magai account. Now, here's an example of one of the messages it sent me. It actually just sent me this 10 minutes ago as I'm recording this, and it's today's email summary. And so what you can see here is, I'm going to blur some of this stuff out for privacy reasons, but it gave me a full breakdown of everything that's in my inbox. It actually archived 1 newsletter and 6 promotions, and then it outlined all of the real people emails that are in here. And here's the thing that I added at the end. Magai also has the ability to know the URL of this conversation, the scheduled task. And so what I had it do is I had it add at the end of every Slack message to give me a link so that I can go straight to that conversation, straight to that scheduled task, and I can ask any follow-up questions that I need, or do any follow-up replies that I need to. So at the bottom of this message, you'll see there's a link directly to that scheduled task. So when I click on this link, it's going to open up that exact conversation inside of Magai, that exact scheduled task, so I can see the actual thread, and I can reply to it if I want to. So we're going to use this task from this morning as an example. Now, most of the screen is going to be blurred out for security and privacy reasons because this is my personal email task. But suffice to say, you can see how this is structured, right? So these daily recurring or scheduled tasks, the first prompt is exactly the instructions that you gave it to create the task. And it'll show all those instructions. It'll look like a message from you. And then the AI will have replied to that prompt, and you'll see all the tool calls, all the actions that it took, and anything that it processed for that scheduled task. Now, just as I said, you can actually reply to these. This is a standard chat thread now. So anything that you have follow-up on, you can just reply to the AI and do follow-up on that. So in this case, I noticed there were 2 emails in there that that could be deleted. They were 2 alert emails, and I had already checked them. So I told the AI, you can go ahead and delete those messages, and it did, because it still has connection to my Gmail account. It can take those actions in my Gmail for me. Now, I had some more follow-up here because there were 2 emails from people that I wanted to know more about. And so what I asked is that the AI would give me more information, tell me more about those emails from these 2 individuals so that I could reply to them. And so it did. It gave me a full breakdown of what was in those emails so that I could then dictate to it exactly how I want it to reply to both of those emails. Now, here's something really cool is I literally just dictated. I turned on the microphone here and I spoke. I said, please reply to Kaylee that I appreciate her reaching out, but I'm not interested in the merchant solution at this time. If I have questions in the future, I will reach out. And please politely reply to Sophia that I'm not interested in doing a campaign with them. And so that's all I said. And again, because the AI is connected to my Gmail, it went ahead and wrote those replies for me simultaneously. And once it was done, it let me know. And then I followed up by saying you can now archive those 2 emails. So this is just one example of how you can leverage the tools, the integrations, and Magai's AI models that it gives you access to create these regular scheduled tasks or ongoing automations. Hopefully that sparks some creativity in you, and I hope that helps to get you jump-started with these new scheduled tasks. If you have any questions about them, please feel free to reach out to our team. We're happy to help.